guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Guys, it's almost the end. Woohoo! Well, I am happy because it was a lot of work, things to organize, etc., but I think I will, I have a little pincement au cœur, as we say in French, which means that I am a little bit sad and I feel like, I will miss you guys, but I will not disappear forever. I will just, post 1 or 2 times per week, which is, it's great. So if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the last videos. I'm trying to keep some really special bags unboxings for the last days, and yeah, I think the two last days will be very, 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 very special, and yeah, can't wait to share it with you. So guys, today it's gonna be the first, let me think. Yeah, I think it's the first ever bag I unboxed from this brand on this channel. I am talking about Gianni Versace. Stop. Tout le monde, on arrête. I think after Ferragamo, Gianni Versace is a brand that we don't see a lot on YouTube because, of course, vintage and pre-loved YouTubers, it's quite rare, not a lot, but still, and they don't really buy these kind of brands. And I think that this is a really, it's dommage, it's a pity, and it's it's a shame, because I think it's a beautiful, beautiful brand with a really strong history. And I think that today's Versace has, I'm not a big fan of the handbags, and when I like something, 99% of the design is DNA is from a vintage design from Gianni Versace era. So why buy new when you can have better vintage? And I think that having a Gianni Versace handbag is the must. It's the cherry on top of the cake. So today, let me take it. We will have some Gianni Versace. I am so glad that I received the bag with the dust bag. And as you can see, we will have some metal. So let me introduce to you to my latest purchase. So this is a beautiful shoulder oboe bag from Gianni Versace. Voila. So this bag is in python, snake skin, as you can see. You have the Medusa head here, and you have this metal handle, and at the back you have nothing. And when you open it, you have, I don't know if you guys can see, it's, you just have the bag, it's a leather inside, you have a back pocket, and you have, gonna be hard to show, the Gianni Versace tag. So I don't know if you guys can see what I saw on this bag. This bag, I will insert the picture here, makes me think about the Prada Clio shoulder bag. When I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, this is such a Prada dupe, but this being for me the original design, because for me the Cleo from Prada, it has some vintage vibe to it. So when I saw this one, I was like, this is the original one. So let me just grab it and buy it because it's absolutely gorgeous. And the fact that this is in snake skin makes it even more incredible for me because, you know, it's exotic leather and it's just amazing. And so I found this beauty on vinted.fr, which is an European website where you can buy from private seller to private seller. There is a kid outside. And yeah, so I bought it on vinted.fr and I bought it for 250 euros, which is maybe 10% of the Prada bag, like 10% of the price of the Prada one, which is incredible. So I think I really got a deal on this one. And yeah, the bag being like from Gianni Versace, for me, this is just amazing. I will put some mud shots so you guys can see how it looks when you wear it. So guys, this was the unboxing reveal of the day. Let me know in the comment box down below what you think about it. I think she's a really special bag with, you know, this 90s, end of the 90s, 2000 vibe. And it's quite, you know, the handle makes me think about the Gucci from Tom Ford era that I unboxed a few days ago. And yeah, they have this vibe that I really love. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Je vous fais des gros bisous et je vous dis à demain. Bye!